Shem back in another video. You see, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video for all of my new subscribers. Then comment down in the comment section and say, yo, Shemblem, just subscribe and see. That, yo, firstly, we don't like how, like, when they make some, you know, yeah, this look better. Hold on. Now me I talk business, isn't it? Alright, so, as you see in the title below, you know, so yo, we are coming with that Ringlight. I know my light I get it. Why you play with me, bro? As you see in the title, is a Ringlight unboxing video. So if you're interested, you can watch your side video. If not, yo, I have some other video you can check out in the channel. Alright. So, I purchased Ringlight, the Ringlight for Amazon. Here's a pic of how it look when me that alright. Well, my family that alright. So, come in the box shop. It's not a big box. You expect a big box. But a box is a box. So you come in at this. So there you go. Pull it. Try not to mash it. You see, make it. So it come in at the box, right? So in the box come with this, which is the stand, and the ring light. Ready? Oh. And come with the box. So you find out what it is. Oh. Now this don't come with it. So don't feel say this come with it. Cause this don't come with it. I get this from my cousin. So don't feel say this come with it, isn't it? I get this with it. So I'm gonna set up this. I'm gonna move this back and so you can see me as it look. And after that I'm gonna show you what we used to use before the ring light. This is the stand. This is the hole. These are the height. See? So, what else you get? The ring light. This, yeah, show my face, bro. What kind of camera man you be my youth? Sure. So this come with it too. So you put this here so. Oh, it works. Oh, you have plug it in. Which come the box? So I know what they in there. I know what they in there. The charger and the remote. The remote here I have to connect to my phone. So you can press the camera button. So as you see, you work with iPhone and Android. So this. So alright guys, this how it look with my normal lamp light, you see me? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lock off the light there. Boy, he gonna blind me, this bright. Alright, so this are the light. This are how it look with the light. So as you know, the light can go down, what? And it can bright. You see me? Like this. And it have different function, different like shades. So it have like this. Bomba! You! It have this, nice. And going back to the white, so white. Oh, I like a 4. So this bright white. What? This different. How much? 4? Ooh, yeah. Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This look like blue, bro. Yeah. So I have them here, isn't it? And as I say, this I with it with this tripod. And the next one I win. Me I use normal light. So guys, this me used to use. I am bored. I'm using a table before. I am bored. Use this for catch my phone. The light. Yeah. So if you don't have no ring light, you can use a lamp. I broke that one of the broke, so you get to shine towards me. But you can use a lamp, for example, if you just start or nothing for use, you can use this, isn't me? So I'm gonna get back to the video. As I say, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Peace out.